Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we are back out in the warehouse and we're going to be talking about a Pentair product. This is a part number 224420. It's a 6-port 2-inch low pro water valve. So what this is this is the brains, the command center, the control to the in-floor cleaning heads that are in your swimming pool. So inside your swimming pool, you have those pop-up heads. This guy here is what controls them. So we're going to open up this box. I'm going to show you what comes inside here. Basically, all this is it's a hydraulically controlled water valve. So there's no electronics to it. Bam. Nothing like that. This is controlled by water coming in. It spins gears inside, and then it tells you which zone it's going to. So this is going to control between 3 and 7 pop-up heads per station. And then as this rotates around, different zones come up in your swimming pool. So this is the entire valve. This includes the lid, the casing, the gears inside, flaps underneath, a lot of things that come in here. Really, really nice valve. I think it's one of the best water valves out there as far as flow goes, replacing parts, all that stuff. So this is part number 224420, made by Pentair, 6-port, 2-inch water valve. We have tons of these at ePoolSupply here, Bell and I-17, or ePoolSupply.com. We can ship this out to you. So I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.